Today we're talking about some of the most commonly performed procedures that I do on males. We do a lot of facial contouring. There's a lot of guys out there that are exercising and dieting and they just have stubborn areas of fat in their neck. And so a nice, easy in-office procedure with no downtime, such as chin liposuction, is a very powerful way to shape the overall jawline in males. Some guys who have a little bit of loose skin that are a little older, sometimes we combine skin tightening procedures at the time of liposuction, such as Renuvion or Face Tight, to improve the overall jawline contour by tightening the skin after the liposuction is done at that time. Moving on to the body, abdominoplasty, tummy tucks. So obviously tummy tucks are not just for women, it's for men too, specifically when they have loose skin in the lower part of their tummy, usually from a little bit of weight loss. Guys have a little bit of pooch in that lower part of their tummy near their belly button and below the belly button. And also a lot of guys carry stubborn areas of fat around their flank. By performing a little bit of liposuction in the flanks, getting rid of that improves the overall V definition, and also by performing an abdominoplasty, you can actually improve the overall tummy contour as well. Guys that don't have a lot of loose skin at all, but really are healthy, they diet and they exercise, but their full-time job is not living in the gym, and so they have a very good definition to begin with. They're a great BMI, their skin quality is good. These guys are looking for a six-pack, and most guys want a six-pack, most women don't want a six-pack. And usually women, we do a little bit of vertical definition to highlight that yoga body effect, but in males, they want that sharp definition. A six-pack definition can be achieved in the appropriate candidate. High definition, what I like to call gladiator high definition six-pack etching, is a procedure that I commonly perform and really enjoy doing because it's an awesome way of sculpting the body in real time. Chest contouring, gynecomastia, right? Man boobs. And so a lot of guys complain about puffy nipples. You have to actually physically carve out and remove that gland. In combination with chest contouring, I frequently talk to patients about also considering intramuscular pectoralis major muscle fat grafting, which enhances the masculinity of the chest by adding bulk to the upper part of the chest. We want the chest to stick out past the tummy in a man. Fat grafting is a great way to do that, and also flattening the lower pole of the chest creates that masculine effect. It's one of the procedures that I do a lot and actually love doing because that itself has such a profound impact on a guy's self-confidence, and it's amazing how a 1.5 to 1.5 hour procedure can have such an impact for a guy over the course of his life. And so there's also men, a lot of men actually lose a lot of weight in this age of medical weight loss with Ozempic and Wegovy, and also surgical weight loss. There's guys that are losing 75, 80, 100, 150, 250 pounds, 300 pounds. And so when you have that much weight loss, there's a lot of loose skin all over the body. So similar procedures that are also performed in women are also considered in men, specifically in the abdomen. So when there's loose skin in the front, in the sides, and the back, a body lift is performed in order to contour not only the tummy, but simultaneously the outer thighs and the buttock as well. And also thigh lifts and brachioplasties and arm lifts are also considered in patients who need it after that much weight loss. And so these are also procedures that we perform in men quite frequently. Another procedure is buttock shaping. You guys have heard the BBL term in women, but also we actually add fat to the buttock in men as well, but we try to chisel the buttock frame to look more masculine. But fat grafting, intragluteal fat grafting to the male buttock is also something that is frequently performed and can be done at the same time as high definition gladiator sculpting, actually, to enhance the six-pack and also create a muscular looking gluteus maximus buttock shape. So again, these are just some of the procedures that I perform on males. We're seeing a lot more guys coming in because, guys need love too. So I frequently kind of jokingly say I do a lot of surgery on women, but one of the areas that more guys are coming to me is for body contouring as well. And I always say, guys need just as much love as women do too. So it's a great option for a lot of men, and for me, it's something that I enjoy doing because I see the self-confidence improvement in guys, and as a guy, I can relate to that, right? So to me, it's a pretty cool thing. So a lot of procedures that we also perform in males, and it's just one of the satisfying things that I enjoy